So people ask a lot of the time, should I be on Fiverr? And I say, I think you should. Now it's up to you. There are pros and cons. Here are some reasons that I think you need to be on there. One, it's a free platform. They only make money when you make money. So they have a vested interest in your success. Some pay-to-play sites really don't. It opens you up to prospective clients that you would never have met otherwise. And to reach those clients, you would have probably paid a lot of money in advertising. And so you're reaching these people without any effort or money on your part, because Fiverr algorithm presents you to them. That's big. You can charge whatever prices you like. The days of it being $5 are years gone, although people still judge it for that. That's just not the case. You can charge whatever you want. It's cyclical algorithm, and I don't understand it all. But I know if you're new, it'll bump you up a lot of the time, so you can sort of get a toehold, get some business, which would be hard on other platforms. So it has it's kind of cyclical, and new people, new to the platform. You might be a pro voice actor, but you'd be new to the platform, right? And I don't know, it bumps new people up. And I think that's really cool. It gives them a chance to prove their mettle and keep making money. And then you can make a living on there. I personally know lots of people that make either great, it's a big part of their living, or it's completely their living. I myself have made over $250,000 since 2018 on there. It's a great part of my living. I really like it. And I think if you've ever wondered about it, you should. I'd like to give you a little nudge in that direction. Go sign up on Fiverr. I don't make any money for telling you that. I do make money if you join my school. I have lots of other helpful tips. But you ought to check out the link in the bio. What we do in there is we do practice table reads, right? We learn how to set up demos. We talk about ACX and just all the ways. The name of the game is making money for your voice. I want to get 1,000 people making at least $1,000 a month with their voice, be it on straight voiceovers or in social media, their podcast, whatever it is. I want you to use your voice to make money. I like doing it that way, and I like helping other people to do it that way, especially in the AI age that we're entering. It becomes even more fun, and you do have to adapt a little bit. So join my school in the link below, and I'll see you in the next one.